Only one of the suspects standing trial in Arbery's death is accused of firing the shotgun blast that took his life. Our Why Guy explores why a person can face murder charges even when they didn't kill anyone.
His lawyers insist he was just a witness. According to the GBI, William Roddy Bryant was inside of his car, armed with a camera, watching as Ahmaud Arbery died from multiple gunshot wounds. While Bryant is not accused of pulling the trigger, he's charged with aggravated assault, false imprisonment, and murder.
You don't have to intend to kill someone to be punished for murder in the state of Georgia.
A grand jury indicted Bryant, alleging he was part of a series of crimes that resulted in Arbery's death. There are other ways authorities can charge a suspect with murder when they didn't do the actual killing. Let's look at why it can happen. Authorities have accused Bryant of using his pickup truck to try and stop Arbery as the 25-year-old jogged along a rural South Georgia road. Evidence of that led the grand jury to indict Bryant on felony charges of aggravated assault and false imprisonment. 11 Alive legal analyst Paige Pate says if someone is suspected of committing a felony in a case involving a death, they can be charged with murder.
As long as you know that someone's in the commission of a crime that could foreseeably lead to someone getting killed, you're going to be responsible for that death.
According to Georgia law, you can be charged with murder if you advise or encourage someone to commit a crime that results in a death. You can be miles away.
Where the person simply incites another. Vigorous encouragement.
UGA law professor Ron Carlson says these can be tough cases to prove.
This is why the prosecutors will want the judge to carefully instruct the jury about how Georgia's party to the crime law can implicate a person who doesn't do the shooting.
If convicted, Bryant faces the same life sentence as his two co-defendants, neighbors Greg and Travis McMichael.